Hello Peaches! Welcome back to Dear Peachy. In today's video, we are bringing you something different. We've heard you in the comment section saying that you want to know more about China makeup brands. So here we are today, bringing you the 10 China eyeshadow brands that you should not miss. Did you know China has really great and affordable cosmetics brands? Although the entire world has been taken over by K-beauty brands for the longest time, and major cosmetics brands are undeniably still at the top of the game. The Chinese cosmetics industry is currently on the rise, and many Chinese beauty bloggers and influencers have been raving about these homegrown labels. Not only have these products earned a solid reputation on the internet, but these goodies also come with an affordable price tag. What a complete win for beauty enthusiasts on a budget. We have compiled a list of the best Chinese eyeshadow brands, in no particular order. Without further ado, let's get started. First, we have Perfect Diary. Perfect Diary is one of the fastest growing cosmetic brands in China. It is really well known among the Chinese due to their great product formula and premium packaging. The brand has pretty extensive product lines ranging from lip products to base makeup and eyeshadows. Besides, Perfect Diary has numerous collaborations with famous labels such as the Discovery Channel. The palette you're seeing now is one of the fastest selling products of their brand, the Koi Explore Eyeshadow Palette. Look at the color combination of the palette. I really love the shimmery shades. Look how stunning it looks on her eyes. The swatches just look so great. In the same Discovery collection, Perfect Diary has also released the Tiger Explorer palette. You can also check out the other palettes like Panda, Piggy, Puppy, Crocodile under the same collection. Their eyeshadow is really pigmented and buildable. The shades are perfect for us to create unique eye makeup for special occasions. Perfect Diary is also committed to developing cosmetic products suitable for the Asian skin tone. Hence, I believe their products will suit most of the girls out there. This palette is also under the Discovery series. This is the Red Crown Crane eyeshadow palette. It offers earthy nude tones to shimmery pink shades, and I have to be honest that this is my favorite out of all. Next, CC. CC is a new emerging brand in China, which is famous for their super cute packaging. This is the stunning crystal eyeshadow palette. Look at the details on the case and the intricate carvings on the eyeshadow shades. It is so beautiful. Not only their packaging looks super cute and expensive, the quality of their products has been raved by the brand's fans. With both aesthetic packaging and great product formula, the brand has quickly gained popularity among the girls in China. Juicy. Juicy is a pretty new brand in China. The most famous product that helped the brand to earn popularity is actually their highlighter palettes. However, Juicy's eyeshadow product has also become one of the hottest products in their store when first released. Their latest collection, the Amber Tortoiseshell eyeshadow palette, has created a new hype among the beauty gurus in China. Their shades combination for every palette is mostly based on the neutrals and colors that are suitable for everyday wear. I mean, with such affordable price tag and these cute packaging, Juicy can definitely take my money. How can we ever miss out Judy Doll when we talk about China eyeshadow brands? The brand has released many products that are highly loved by their fans, especially the high school and college students, due to their super affordable price. This is one of the most discussed eyeshadow palettes in the social media, the Judy Doll Disney Chip and Dale Milk Tea palette. What I like the most about this palette is the shades are really beginner friendly. The shades are all low saturation colors and it's very suitable for everyday wear to class or work. If you want something more, the Play Color All-in-One palette is the perfect fit for you. A palette that comes with 7 shades is only around $10. What a steal! The Judy Girl Diary eyeshadow palette is also rumored that it is a dupe for the Korean eyeshadow brand Espoir Lookbook collection. Another eyeshadow palette from Judy Doll that is worth to fall for is their latest Monet's Dreamland palette. The color combination is so dreamy and unique. Next, Folklore. Folklore has been gaining popularity not only among the Chinese beauty fanatics and also in the Southeast Asia regions. They are known for their buttery and smooth formula. Their shimmer and satin shades perform extremely well on the lids, offering you an even application of color with minimal fallout. Besides that, the brand is also known for being the dupe for famous eyeshadow brand like Huda Beauty and more. If you're on the hunt for an affordable eyeshadow palette, this one from Folklore will be right up your alley. Packed with a selection of 9 highly pigmented mattes and striking shimmers, there are infinite ways to create a vast array of looks with just one palette. Intyu was only established a few years back, but the brand had already become famous in the beauty world with their long-lasting and highly pigmented liquid lipsticks. The Chinese beauty enthusiasts are even more amazed when Intyu released their eyeshadow palette. Their eyeshadows are highly pigmented and easily blend on lids. The new collection comes with 4 different palettes that can be used either on daily or special occasions. Next, we have Evie. Evie is a super new and niche brand that just emerged in the China beauty industry. This brand is not really well known among the Chinese beauty fans as it is not highly discussed in the social media yet. However, the brand is slowly building their reputation for such high quality packaging and buildable formula coming along with super affordable price tag. For those who want to experiment with different makeup styles, you can definitely have all of them without having to break your bank. Coming to the next brand, which is also my favorite, Gogo Tales. Gogo Tales has been known as the dupes for 3 CE9 color eyeshadow palette series. With 9 colors in a palette, it only cost you around $6. Can you believe it? Their shades are so pretty, and you can surely achieve the K-drama or K-pop girl group makeup looks with just one palette. And now, we have Venus Marble. If you're looking for highly pigmented and creamy eyeshadows, you definitely shouldn't miss Venus Marble. This palette, named Realistic, is one of the most famous eyeshadow palette in the vintage painting series. It has both creamy matte and shimmery shades that will let you create stylish, day-to-night looks. Last but not least, we have Colorkey. Colorkey first built their name by introducing their liquid lipstick to the Chinese beauty industry. Everyone raved for their lips products as they are able to offer excellent quality and application with affordable price. Now they are extending their line with their latest eyeshadow palette. This is the Colorkey City Series eyeshadow palette. I got to say that their shimmery shades are to die for. Finally, this video has come to end. We hope that you guys can get to know these amazing China beauty brands. The Chinese beauty industry has been growing fast at breakneck speeds, and we can see why there is a high demand in China. Tell us in the comments which palette that you're interested the most. Like and subscribe us if you enjoy this video. Until then, we will see you in our next video.